at one time. Your marketing budgets won't be enough. Because that's it. You need to build a business that's recurring in nature. That means you get a customer today, but they're with you for the second month, third month, fifth month, 10th month. Now that's the power of building a business. And third one, you can either train people how to use it. So you can tell about how to use the software and you can train people so that they can use it themselves, or you can do it for them. That means it's done for your services. And if you want to make high ticket offers or you want to like charge them high ticket, please make a note, done for you is the ultimate, because I know people who are charging a lakh a year, 2 lakh a year, 50,000 rupees a month, which they feel is still a low ticket. Okay, and when you go international markets, it's way beyond. Like you can easily charge more than that. But even given a simple pointer, you can set up everything in your own brand, your own software. That's the power of this. This is like a vehicle, right? Instead of you using a different public transportation, it's like having your private jet. Think about it. You can take your clients when you want. You can decide whom to take. You can decide the destination, and you have complete control of the plane. Right? That's exactly what right now marketers are transforming to do it. And the only question is, are you ready for this? And I spoke about the how you can implement this, how you can get started in the SaaS business. Now, before I go deeper into this, we're going to be talking about the 5 major systems that you can sell to business owners and you can make a lot of revenue. Okay, now why? Because they need to use a product for sure. And second one, the more they use it, the more their business is dependent. The more the business is dependent, the more the company retains. So your retention is going to skyrocket because naturally people are using your product. And the best part is you don't have to build one, because building one is not a game, like it's not a joke. I mean, like I've seen people like no matter what vibe coding and other stuff come in, but still you can't really build a fully functional SaaS business, which people love it. You can build a feature and you can sell it, but you can't really build a large SaaS model. And I'm going to show you like the top 5 features today, what people really need. Okay, if you're ready to learn, I want you to type RTL in the chat box very quickly. Okay, just give me RTL in the chat box so that I know that you're attentive here, you're focusing, you're listening to me, and you're learning. Just type as RTL in the chat box. Super. Fantastic. Great stuff. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to let you leave me some messages so that we can warm up the room. And awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Let's get to the next point. Okay, the next point is the first one is funnels and website builder. Now, why do I say that? Any business, no matter which industry they are in, think about it. Like you might be looking at manufacturers, distributors, you have like digital marketers, agencies, you have event organizers, travel and tourism, you have insurance agents. Uh, I mean, like, think about it. Every single industry you can think of, they need a funnel or they need a website. Okay, undoubtedly. If they're like an offline business, they don't need funnels. I mean, like it's too much of a work. They're technically not that good, or probably they don't need it. But think about it. Do they need a website? The answer is yes. I mean, everybody needs a website. Who doesn't need it? It's an identity, right? So it's like your visiting card. So right now, either you can touch the offline market who don't have a website, or touch the businesses who are already having a website, but they want funnels. That's why I've combined this. Like people having a basic infrastructure, you can pitch them funnels and you can get them on. And people who have no idea about online, then you can pitch them in the website builder. So I'm going to show you in my system right now. So which is going to be technically yours. Okay, the moment you get in, this is not going to be mine. This is going to be branded on your name. And that's the power of this. Okay, let me just like jump into share my screen here. Okay, awesome. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see my screen. So once you get into this, every business needs an online system. Agree? Like you want to generate leads, you want to run it on Facebook. After the lead comes in, what will you do next? You need to bring the lead somewhere, right? So you need a system, and this is what all-in-one system is. I'm going to share only 5 systems today, okay? Because yesterday I went deeper into it. I taught you a lot of things that you can actually sell as as a SaaS entrepreneur. But today, what I'm going to show you is only going to be 5 tools. Now, why is it? Because these 5 are game changers. Okay. And these 5 are more than enough for you to technically like sell it to 1,000 people, and everybody will require this. The first one is funnels and website builder. So the best part is once you come in, so this will be on your brand. Okay, you get that? I'm going to show you a little bit on the back side. Okay, the backend part I'm going to show you right now. So let me just log into this account at this point. So it's my demo account, which I use. Okay, just to run you through how it works, what's the backend, like how does the agency look like? So we spoke about how to sell a sub account and other stuff, but today you're going to be learning on how do you actually create an agency. So if you look at my screen here, this is your dashboard where you can see how many sub accounts are there. So your sub account itself is a product. You got it? Like people want to use one account, right? They want to run their whole business. Now, what is it? It's called a sub account. Now, this itself is a MVP for you. That means a minimum viable product you can sell to people. Now, the best part is this does not depend on your services, right? It does not need your services because it's a product based. If you give access of this to 10 people or 1,000 people, do you think there is going to be any difference? I mean, is your work going to be increasing? I'll make my question clear. If you're going to give access of this platform to 10 people or 1,000 people, and people are using it, they know how to use it, forget about the support part. Do you have to create 1,000 times the same product? If it's a no, type no in the chat box. That's what is leverage. That's what I was talking about, Naval Ravikant, right? You create it for once, you give this sub account to 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, 10,000 people. End of the day, you're not working every time they're creating an account. Guiding them, helping them scale up, getting them onboarded, all that is a part of the process. But end of the day, you don't have to work on every single account that you're delivering. And that's the power of this, right? So you can straight away go here and you can set up your own pricing. Okay, this has absolutely no pricing, but I'm going to still like take up my AI and I'm going to like show you some of the uh, overview of what exactly you can do. So this is my AI. So I can go here and ask like, what can I price my software at? Okay, I'm just like adding what is the pricing. So it's recommending me few plans here. Look at this. My standard pricing to use my product or selling it, I can give a starter plan, growth plan, and a scaler plan. Awesome, right? Like starter plan is for new businesses and you can sell it as low as 4,000 rupees a month. Okay. And second one is the growth plan, which you can sell at 5,999. That's going to be 6,000 per month. And scaler plan is going to be like 8,000 rupees a month. And the best part is if you're like selling it to coaches, you can sell it at 6,000 or 60,000 a year. You see that? And this is a very comfortable number that they'll buy it from you. And the best part is you don't have to buy it for every single account. So you get unlimited number of sub accounts. I'll repeat that, unlimited. Like you have 5 clients, you have 500 clients, you have 5,000 clients, you keep 100% of the revenue with you. Now, how does this model work? Like a lot of people ask like, Karthik, how does it work? I mean, you can charge for every account, right? So the best part to tell you why this model is the most powerful model is because it works on averages. So if you're trying to look at squeezing in, I love to quote Dr. Velumani here. Okay, so I heard one of a beautiful speech from him, and he said that do not make profit from your customer's pocket, but make profit from the operations that of your business that you run. How many of you think that's true? Type T in the chat box. You should never make money from your customer's pocket. You have to make money and profits from the way you're operating your business. And here, the power is in that. It's not about making money from every sub account you sell, but it's about working on an average with giving thousands of people so that you can actually have the access of implementing that. Okay, yeah. So that's about this. So if you look at this, that's how you can get started. That's how you can implement with whatever I'm sharing with you. So the first thing is about the funnels and website builder. So if you go in here, I can sell this at like 5,000, 6,000. You can see all the pricing and you will get access to my AI avatar, which you can sell it on your own. So you can create a product. You can decide you want to charge a monthly plan. You can straight away go here. You can say, I want to charge monthly. I want to charge yearly, or probably I want to charge like every 3 months. And what the system does is it renews the subscription. So you maintain that. Even if you get like, let's say 40 accounts or 30 accounts, And you'll be able to see what is the active date of subscription. Is it active? Is it not active? Everything in detail. Now, in case if I'm going into this as a user, so naturally I'll see that this account will be locked. Okay, can you see that? The account is locked right now, so my client cannot use it. Okay, due to non-payment, they're not able to do that. So that's the power of building this platform on to the next level where you can bring on that. So in every single sub account, the best part is your clients can go ahead and build websites and funnels within this. Okay, and it's super powerful. So if I have to show you, you can go to lead generation, and you have something called as sites here. And under site, you have builder. You can either create from scratch or you can simply head on to a template library. I was showing you a lot of templates yesterday. I'll show you some of the new ones that we've added. So let's say you're starting a SaaS business today. Okay. The best part is you can actually use these templates to build your own official website. Look at that. You can say full suite of software solutions for startups. Okay, you see that there's no branding here. You can add your logo if required. The dashboard is here. You can scroll down. You can see all the content that we have filled it up. We've added up for you. That means it's ready to use at this point. You can even like shift your pricing plan. You can set this up. You can build this for yourself or you can build this for your clients. Now, if you're doing it for clients, let's say you have a real estate client, you can straight away go here, show this template to them. And the best part is the moment you show them a beautiful template, which is futuristic like this, you see that this is not like those traditional olden templates. Like these are very, very awesome futuristic templates. See that, look at that effect. Awesome, right? And the best part is all these will be on your domain name. Okay, you see that free tools is my demo account. I'm just bought a random domain to show all of you. Like I keep using it. I don't want to use my company domain. So I'm using this as a random email ID, sorry, domain. And you can go ahead and you can use this particular domain. You can use your own domain, your own company. One of the company example is, let's say, iConcept. I was talking about yesterday, right? So look at this. iConcept is a brand, and this is their logo, and this is how they've set up their account, and it runs on their own domain. And that's the power of this, right? So you can technically like sell this as your own. Now you have some amazing webinar templates. You have some VSLs. You have everything in one single place. Can you see that? Like these are what people are looking for at this point. Look at that effect. Like, I mean, like we are very closely looking at building these landing pages so that you can actually sell it and make revenue out of it. Like people pay 20,000, 30,000 to get a landing page design done. Okay. Which is like equivalent to this. But the best part, you get this as a part of this. You also get like some amazing website templates. Look at that. Like completely Webflow, or you see Framer. All these are what is futuristic, and the best part is this will be your own template. So you can tell your clients that this is my template library, and you can start using them. And you can also like start editing them. All you need to do is just check out the template which you like. You just go here, click on probably, let's say we will import this. Click on import. The moment you import this, you can go here, hit a refresh, and you should be able to see that your template is coming. Click on this template. You can go click on edit. And now this entire template, whatever you saw, is fully editable with our page builder. Okay, and it's very powerful builder. If you look at this, there's multiple sections, there is columns, elements. These all are very simple. You can just go click on that. You want to change text here. You want to call this as, instead of wealth activation, you want to call this as business activation formula masterclass. Just go here. You want to change this image. You can double click this. You can just go to any other person. You can just pick that particular template, like the image. You can change this of your client, and you can change the date, all this content here. Whatever you see here, you can change the content here. And once you're ready with this, you can add up any effects on the right hand side. All this I'm going to teach you inside my community, right? So once you're a part of the SaaS Millionaire Club, so we call this a Start Your SaaS community. And the best part is every single information I'm showing you here is already there in my first client challenge. So when you go into first line challenge, you'll be able to see phase 1 is to finalize your business model. Phase 2, create an offer. Phase 3, launch your SaaS funnel, technically. Once the leads are coming in, stage 4 is where you will start selling them. Like what to sell, how to sell it. I teach all of that stuff. So technically it's my years of experience of building this entire business is you're going to be getting that as a snap of a finger. You can leverage that because we have a very clear policy. Like if you look at our website also, startyoursas.io, you'll see that we don't sell it to any business owners. We only sell it to marketing agencies. Can you see that? Build your $1 million AI business. So if you're an agency, digital marketer, freelancer, coach, any of them, you're looking to build your own SaaS business in your brand name. That's only what we help. So we don't sell sub accounts. So we don't compete with you. It's as simple as that. And that's the best part of the about the whole business model. Like we focus on building the product and you focus on getting your clients. Technically, we work with a B2B model. That means you are a business, we are a business. So we work only with you. So we don't give any sub accounts to anybody. So if they want to buy it, they'll either come to one of you as an agency and they'll buy it from you. So this gives a clear market positioning for you, for us. And I feel like that's what is the vision about, right? So we work for you so that you can go and leverage the whole market. I mean, any industry, any business owner, you can just go capture with them. Okay, that's about funnels and builders. You have a full-fledged that. And next is CRM, which is my favorite. I mean, I just love this when I speak about this because every time I'm logging in, I can really look at my leads that's coming here. Can you see? I can go arrange them here. I can check out what's the lead. I can go see every information about their phone number, their name, email ID, then which pipeline they are in, which stage they are in. They're just in the lead. So if you look at here, we have lead, phone call, WhatsApp. So I can also like hide this data here. It's a dummy account, but still, if you are sharing a screen in your events or you don't want to disclose your client details, you can actually go and hide this. Okay, awesome feature, right? So this was requested by our existing agencies. So we mask them. So if you look at this, you can have lead, phone call, WhatsApp message, email, attendee. So you can create your own pipelines and you can start positioning people into this. And once they're here, you can also like filter this based on cold lead, warm lead, and hot lead. So if they are pretty good, then you can mark this as warm lead. So if they read your email or probably they booked an appointment with you, then you can actually like automate that process also. You also have your the calendar appointment booking. So you want to like schedule appointment. You can manage literally everything out of that, the entire CRM, and you also have a powerful follow-up system. I think follow-up is fortune lies in follow-up, right? So let's say I want to create a follow-up. I'll just go here. I'll give a phone call right now. Let's say we'll take one example. Okay, I'm going to take Omkar Tiwari. So I'm going to go to Omkar Tiwari. I'm going to talk to him. And what I'll do is first I'll allot this to myself or my staff here. You see staff 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to add staff number 1. And once I've added this, I can straight away like open this. I can give a call to Omkar Tiwari and I can talk to him and I can start adding the notes. Okay, I can say like prospective and I can click on all the notes here and then I can just click on save. See that it just gets saved. And along with that, I can also create a follow-up. So the person told me that just give me a call maybe after 2 days. I can call this as follow-up number 2 and I can say like call. Okay, I click on add. So what happens here is to Omkar Tiwari, I've set up a follow-up system and I don't have to go back and see in the CRM because I can just go here and I can just mention this based on ascending order like I did today, right? So we can go here, I can add this here. And if I have to search even for the person, I can just click on this and I'll be able to see this person. You see the due date is here. I can click on status and this is marked yes. I want to assign more staffs. I can go assign staff number 2. I can assign even one more staff here if I want to. I can do multiple things here. Okay. And if I want to keep it like uncompleted, I can always change the status of this. So whenever I have due, I can show this and I can talk about this with my team. So what happens here is for every business, the lead is coming here and they can get this lead through multiple sources, by the way. They can be running Facebook ads. They can be running through landing page. They can have a website. They can have a landing page and they can also bring manually, by the way. So if you're thinking like, can I enter manually? Just enter name, email ID, phone number. And email is not mandatory also. Just enter name and phone number. And then you can enter which pipeline you want to add, what stage, what kind of lead this is, write some notes here, assign to any staff, and you create a lead directly. It hardly takes you like 10 seconds to create manually as well. And if you want to import everything together, you can do that as well. So you can import all your opportunities at once and you can actually add them into your pipeline. So it's a very powerful CRM that you can start leveraging for your clients. So now I want you to know that it's not just about you, but it's also about your clients. Like how do they use all of this stuff? And it looks like you can use it. And if you're feeling like, oh, I don't know how to use it, not to worry. Because every simple thing, like the way I'm showing you right now this is live, so you're looking at me, you're checking out here. But the best part is when you go through learning at your own pace. So I have access to all my courses like First Line Challenge. So I can sit down take it your pace, learn one step at a time. And that's the power of that, right? Third one is going to be WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp is something very, very big at this point, right? Like whole world is like banking on WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp, you have WhatsApp unofficial and official as well. Now, why? Because I've seen the biggest problem with some of the small businesses are that they don't want a cloud API. So they say that I don't want to pay like 80 paisa for one message. I mean, I just want to send like 5 leads I get per day, and I want to use my WhatsApp to send it. So can I send unofficial? The problem is official platforms don't allow unofficial. Unofficial promote it, but they don't really not very successful in that model. So what we have done here is to impact a business, to give them a good impact. We've created both versions here. That means you can connect your device straight away by this, just by scanning it. It's unofficial. Definitely Meta has the full control. But the best part is it doesn't happen anything. You scan it and you can't send bulk marketing in this. Okay, you can send this in workflow. Now, why? Because if you're allowed to send bulk marketing, your number is going to get banned. It's simple as that. But what you could do is you can send a single send message. That means next time you want to send something, you can straight away go here, select your device which you're running from, and you can search for the person and you can write a message or you can pick a template from here and directly you can send this message. Got it? So this is WhatsApp unofficial and you can use this even in the workflow. Second is the WhatsApp official. Now, what is a WhatsApp official? You can connect your business API. Okay, and we technically connect directly with Meta itself. For instance, if I have to show you my actual account, I can just show you that. So I'm going to go into my WhatsApp dashboard here, WhatsApp official. And in this, you can see there's more than 16,000 messages gone. And now if I click on the payment, it directly takes me to business.facebook.com. That means you or your clients don't pay anything to us as a platform fee. You connect your own account and you start using them. See, like we have our own activity, like we start using them, we start implementing. So this is completely like using an iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone, you can connect Airtel, Jio, whatever. So it's like that. So our platform is like your iPhone or Android, whatever you love. Okay, and with that you can connect your Jio, Airtel. It's up to you, and you can send it. So Meta is like that. So you just connect the Meta, and then you can start using this, and you can start sending messages out as well. And the fourth system is about workflow automation. Now, workflow automations are very, very powerful because this is where you instruct the system what to do. So you can do it from scratch. So I'll show you from scratch. I showed you yesterday about the pre-built segment, right? So I'm going to show you like technically how it works. Now a trigger means, and this is all you need to know. I mean, if you learn what I'm showing you, you're going to be multiple lakh per month person very easily. Now, why do I say this is required by every business? The market size of this, you can't even imagine. Every MSME, so we are expected to be like 7 crore MSMEs. I mean, like if you are just even catering to like 1,000 people in that, which you can very easily do it. I mean, like you still are going to make like a huge income out of this, right? So I'm going to show you. Trigger is what? Trigger is where you'll tell the system when this action happens, do this. Something action happens, right? So what is that action? It can be like somebody fills a form. It can be either your website form, it can be your landing page form, it can be anything, or it can be directly Meta form. Okay, all of you have seen like the lead form ads, right? Like which you run on Meta. So you can directly connect that on the platform. Now, how do you connect that? You can just go to settings. We have our own app store here. Click on app store. And under this app store, you'll be able to see that you can connect your business, your ad account, your page. Then you can also map all the forms here. So you don't need Zapier, Pabbly, nothing. You can directly like use this. And from here, you can map it and you can start bringing the leads. So you don't need to spend anything to bring the leads even from Facebook lead form. And I think for new businesses with 300, 400 rupees, that's a big thing. Okay. And second is you can add the contact manually. You can update it through WhatsApp or you can get a lead through CRM. That means let's say that you're manually entering it. So what you do here is whenever a lead is added to pipeline, okay, of lead stage, then I want to do the trigger. See, look at this. So when you manually go and add a lead, now this automation workflow will understand I need to go forward and I need to send a WhatsApp message saying that welcome on board and whatever message. I can simply go here and create this. Now, what can you do with this is endless opportunities. You can instruct the system. See, many people tell about AI agents are there, they can think, they can logically do all the stuff. Everything is fine, but still they're very initial stages. Okay, the margin for error is huge at this point because it might think something, it can actually do something. I mean, that's futuristic, there's no doubt on that. This is going to transform, even we are going to transform into the way we're doing this into agentic approach. They will know what to do. All that is there. But at this point of time, you cannot rely 100% to do all the work by AI itself. It's not possible. So you need to have specific tasks. The biggest advantage of a workflow builder is you can tell specific tasks that whenever I get a lead, I want you to send this particular message, and there is not going to be any room for error because it's going to send only one single message. And you can also tell, you know what, I want you to go ahead and send an email. You can also say, I want you to wait for 24 hours. You see that? When I say 24 hours, and you can also tell the system specifically in the 24 hours, it should be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Sunday, don't send any message. And you can decide what time, 7:30 till 9 p.m. If it is only between this, I want you to send a message. You see that? It's like instructing your employee, right? If you have an employee, you can actually tell them like what to do. And that's the power of this. And then you can do a lot of things like this community approach here for with us in operations. You have contacts. You can update a contact, tag one contact. You can create a contact group. You also have CRM here. You can add update, remove it. You can change the lead quality. That means, let's say somebody booked an appointment and now you want to change this into a warm lead. So naturally what happens, you know that this lead has booked an appointment, then it's a warm lead. Think about it. You're getting like 100 leads and you can manually sit and change the quality, right? That this lead is good, this lead is not good. You can do it based on behaviors. Like they booked an appointment with you or they changed the pipeline stage. So here, if I'm going here and instead of using this, I can always do a trigger which says when my CRM is done and the stage is changed. Okay, see that webinar thing and it's on phone call. So whenever I change that lead into a phone call, okay, what the system will do is it will change the quality of the lead from cold to warm. When they book an appointment, it's going to change from cold to warm. So endless opportunities. I mean, you can track very minute things. You can also go to operations here. You can check your courses access. You can give course access. You can revoke course access. Now think about it. If your client is a coach or educator at this point, and they say that, Karthik, I want to like, or you, right? So they say that, you know what, I want you to take back the access after 30 days. So what I'm selling is not lifetime, so it's only 30 days. So what you will do is you will go here and you will change the trigger saying whenever somebody buys a product. So you see finance, we have this, right? So whenever you have a subscription that is created, okay, for a silver plan, click on yes. So what you're doing here is when they create a subscription with you, now you can give them access for 30 days. You can go here, click on operation. You can go to courses. You can give grant course. You can either give a bundle or a single course. Let's say I'm giving a bundle of courses, like 10 to 12 courses combined. After this, you'll say your client will tell after 30 days, I want to take back that access. So what you do is you say after 30 days, okay, I can go custom. I can mention this 30. I can change minutes to days and confirm. So now what happens? It is waiting for 30 days. And after 30 days, you can tell the system in the operation that now it's time to revoke the course access. You see that? So now I'm going to like actually take back the course access. I'm giving for a limited time. To achieve this automation, it's a very, very big deal. Especially when your clients are having like 50 people, 100 people, 200 people, they can't literally like achieve this because they need a payment tracking, they need a bundle course access, they need to wait, they need to like revoke back the access to that. And they can do many more things here. Like if you go here, you can also see community access, then you can see groups, you can take out from group, you can add them to a chat group. So many stuff here. So automating your entire business using workflows. How many of you can see the power of workflow? Just type PW in the chat box. power of workflows. Now, when I told you the power of workflows is because you can decide what to do, when to do, how to do it. And the system will be your most loyal employee to listen to what you're saying and implement that on the go. So whenever you're using it, I want more messages. Come on, I don't want any spectators here. Can you all type PW in the chat box, like power in the chat box, like powerful workflows? Can I get some more messages? Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Really appreciate. Okay, so next, let's go into the next step. Okay, and the final one I'm going to talk about is LMS and community, right? So now the industry that's like super booming, and I would not say industry. I think it's the format. Okay, industry is like one industry, but format is where you have a community. Like community building is there in every business right now. It has courses, it has private community, it has a lot of stuff. And the best part is here you can see community here. And under this community, you can see courses. That means you can create a course here. And with this course, you can go and publish any number of videos. And the best part is this is unlimited access. So you can add any number of videos here. So if I go here, click on next. So I can set up my title. I can go to bundle this courses here if I want to. You see that? So it's bundle one, bundle two, or I can just go into individual courses. And now I can add up any number of videos here. Okay, how do I do it? I click on add. And now I can see like image, text, and Loom, Vimeo. You can add through multiple resources. And the best part is you have your entire community. I'll show you my community right now. So this is where my community learns from, the Stadio SaaS community. So we have all the courses here, so they can go learn any from anything. And you also get access when you enroll today. Okay, when you get started with us, so you get access to all of this. So you can go watch any video here. And second is you also get the calendar of what's happening. Third one, you can find our community, private network. So you can go check out all of them who are here. Then we have some private chat groups also. That means like your WhatsApp, we have private groups here. So we keep interacting, we keep adding people. And then you have members, like how many members are there in the community. You can go check out them. You can see them, what they do. You can follow them. You can connect with them. See that? Like you can check out every single person, like where are they from? What do they do? And that's the power of this. You can also see the leaderboard. So last 7 days, like who's top. Like you can see Lopamudra is at 481. Then 30 days you can see here, and who's the all-time top leader here. You can also check out them. That's the kind of engagement that they go through. And we also have some amazing success habits in our community where you can do daily journaling and all that stuff. And this can easily replace all the community builders out there. And this is even more powerful because it has a calendar, it has a community, it has a chat group, it has members. It's got everything that you require, okay, to build a business. Now, these are the 5 top tools today. If you can go and sell your system, you can sell a lot at this point. There's huge demand for these funnel builders and website builders, CRM, WhatsApp, workflow automation, and LMS and community. Now tell me, which is your favorite in this that you want to pick? Type in the chat box. Which is the one that you want to go all in? Like you can start with one, you can go into everything, but which is the one you think you want to go with? Like I can see like Aditya is like CRM, Amulya is like all, then we have Pradeep like WhatsApp. Okay, awesome. Right? We have Dr. Paidi is like WhatsApp. Okay. LMS, like funnel. Absolutely. I agree with that. Fantastic, right? CRM, yes. Okay. Sunil says CRM. Yeah. I mean, like just selling anything is going to work like magic. Okay. The only thing is you need to decide what to sell. Okay. And you should catch hold of one and you should be able to like see all of that. Do you have integration to telecalling and automated webinars? Yes. I'll not take up the questions, but still, since you asked me this question, I'm going to show you right now is if you go into lead management, right? So we have a connection with my operator. My operator is a good calling platform. So we have there. So you can see the status of the call, type, handled by employee status, call duration, listen. You can listen to the audio recordings and you can also have the date and time. So if you ask me, is there an integration? Yes. So you have to pick that up from an external platform and you can straight away connect through API. That's going to be powerful. Okay, super awesome. So right now, since you know already what the product is going to be there, and before we get into that, this is the powerful product, which is going to be yours. It's going to be on your brand name and you can sell it as your own. And that's exactly what I was showing you right now, right? So if you see like iconcept.com, you see like top funnel is here. So they're also like selling this at this point. Okay. And you can even see like Abid's yesterday, you saw his thing, right? Um I hope it's .com, I think. Okay. So let me see. Now this, I think I need to take out A here. Yeah. So this is his website. So he also runs, he was the doctor who actually spoke yesterday. So effortless resolutions, infinite opportunities. You can see all the things official. The best part is all of these are created in their own brand names and they literally run their business. Okay. But my question is, how do you get started and how do you go forward? Right. So this is what I got maximum questions with. So today, as day number 3, and today is going to be the last day for you to make a decision. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a SaaS millionaire checklist. Are you ready to note down the checklist to become a SaaS millionaire in the next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, depending on your speed? If you're ready, type R in the chat box. If you're ready with that, I'm going to give you exactly a checklist which is going to be crazily valuable and it's going to blow your mind. Okay, you're going to think like, oh my God, this is crazy. Okay, I'm going to give you the blueprint literally to use this and build a business which can be $1 million very, very easily. Okay, again, it's like subjective, depends on how you do it. But if you're able to do this, like what I'm sharing with you, you should be able to actually get that. So let's go into my mind map. I prepared an amazing mind map for you so that I can teach you some of the stuff today. Okay, the first part, what I want you to do is like, I want you to pick your niche. Okay, so I'd like to keep it more interactive right now. Okay, and that's why I want you to be fully focused. So I want you to pick a niche and it could be lead generation, it can be WhatsApp automation, or it could be one-to-one high ticket funnel, or you can say, I will help you automate your business. Now, what is a niche? You cannot just go and tell, please buy my software, right? People are not going to buy it because selling a product is always like low value. But if you solve a problem, that's a big product, right? So it's just like the way you're here, recurring revenue. So I never told you that come and buy my product or something. I'm showing you a game plan which is going to help you build a business, which in turn is going to give you a recurring revenue. So what is it? It's your outcome, it's your dream, right? So it's a dream vision. So you need to put a vision to your clients, your prospects. What is it? Either you can tell them, I'm going to help you generate a lot of leads. Second one, you can say, I'm going to help you with WhatsApp automation. I'm going to help you with one-to-one high ticket funnel. You can also say, I'm going to like help you with automating your business. I can actually differentiate this. Just give me a second. I'll add like 4. Okay, so you can actually pick one of these. Can you type in the chat box, what's yours? Which one are you going to choose? Is it lead generation, WhatsApp, one-to-one? You can type 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I can see 4, 3. That's good. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Awesome. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so yeah, so you can take up anything: lead generation, WhatsApp, one-to-one high ticket funnel, automate your business. You can pick any one of them. The second step to SaaS millionaire is like pick an industry. There are many industries that you can serve. Okay, but I want you to pick up like 1 or 2 industries only. Okay, I'm going to go little like one by one. You can write down in a notepad which one do you like. The first one is training and coaching. If you're in that space, if you're already a trainer and coach and you want to help other coaches do it, nothing like that. I mean, like I've been in the space, it's super easy to train people how to use it because their business runs on systems, right? So it's very easy to sell them as long as they know this product is going to help them, they're going to jump in. Okay, first can be training and coaching industry. Second one can be real estate. Real estate is where you can actually help clients get a lot of leads. If you're in performance marketing, you know how to run ads, generate leads, book them site visits, that's going to be crazy. The third one is going to be affiliate and network marketing. You can help network marketers from different things. Like they could be in Herbalife, Vestige, or anything. There's many, right? So they can actually go into multi-level marketing, and you can show them how to build a real business and have their leads, have a webinar, have a one-to-one. That market is huge. And the only requirement you need in that market is you should have done it. Right? Think about it. Like I'm not here to teach you anything that I don't do. Right? I'm here to teach you exactly what I'm doing. So now if you ask me like, Karthik, are you making recurring revenue? I can open my account and show you that how much money we make. because that's the confidence that we have, because we are doing the same stuff as you at this point, right? So we're doing exactly the same. We are building a recurring revenue, we are earning, we are able to do this, and that's exactly what I'm teaching you. Now, if you want to help people, the first thing is you need to be a practitioner. I always tell that you are your first client. If you focus on getting result for yourself, you will naturally be in a position to teach others. And that's what puts you in expert position. Fourth one is about health and wellness. Fifth one is about business consultants. Anybody in the business space, you want to like help consultants to get leads, get more appointments booked, you can help them as well. Sixth one, education, schools, colleges. We have an individual separate module for schools. Okay, and this, we've actually gone deeper into that. Just give me a second. I'm just going to close the screen here so that I can like shift easily. Okay, we also run chain of schools, right? I'm going to show you some of how we've actually like positioned the schools here. Okay, so any school you want to like go and pitch a solution for them, you can go into operations. There's something called operation, and you can actually get a academic year here. So you can either create them, you can make one academic year active. Second one, you can create classes for that school. So it's as simple as just clicking on this, and then you can create like which class, which section, all this. It's a very new feature. It's still in beta version, so we are finalizing it. And you can enroll a student here. And how to enroll a student? Just click on create, enter the name, email ID, phone number of parent, date of birth, gender. They can add which class the child is in, which section they belong to, what's their uniform size, what's their Aadhaar card, what's their student photo, what's their birth certificate. You can maintain every student enrollment. You can also enroll parent. Now, why parent? Do we require parent enrollment? No. But some of the parents have two kids in the same school. Now, where do they log in from? Because we're going to have one app, and in that app, we're going to give access to one child. But what happens to the second child? Now, think about if they have three kids in the same school, gone, right? So, what we've done a parent enrollment here where you can create a parent and you can add kids under them. You see that? You can just add this one, you can add second child, and you can add third child. The best part is when a parent actually logs in, they'll be able to shift between the three kids. One is in nursery, one is in second standard, one is in fifth standard. So the parent can actually shift, see their classwork, see their homeworks. Now that's exactly why we've done it. So whatever we're building is not theory, it's very practical. Okay, and promotion. Let's say that the child wants to promote to the next class. You can just go here and you can say that enroll to nursery or just promote them to the next class. You have like a in detail like subject, timetable. You can also create like a very powerful timetable here. Like you can see 9 to 9 a.m. So if I go into nursery, like select A section, so you'll see that it gets populated here. You see that there's prayer here, there's exercise, there's settling in class, there is a break. And the best part is when somebody logs into a portal, right? There's a mobile app for every school. Okay, education is also a very big industry. Like if you see, this itself is a big industry. So when somebody comes in here, they can see like a good mobile app, and in that they can actually go forward and check out the attendance. They can check out the profile. They can see multiple things here. Let's open this here, and they can also check out the timetable. So if I click on this, this is a demo account, but when you log into a real student account, you'll be able to see the attendance timetable of that particular student. So that's how deep it is in education. You can do a lot of stuff there. Next is insurance. Insurance is where you can help insurance people get leads. Now, can they sell policies? Totally up to them. I mean, like if you are in that space, recruitment space, I think this is perfect for you because you starting your own SaaS agency and you're in recruitment, you're getting a lot of insurance agents, you're helping them to get more clients, get leads, then there's no brainer. You just need to like open a SaaS agency and you need to bring all your people into that, give them one sub account, build a website for them, show them how to generate leads, and do the policy pitches. You can actually manage your whole business in that. It's a very powerful space to be in. Eighth one is astrology and astronumerology, occult sciences. You can help clients who are astrologers, big industry, big money. Okay, like because they have no idea about technical, but you can actually like help them in the starting stage. I mean, when I say no idea about technical, most of them. I don't say like everyone. So like most of them don't want to put their time into all this. But you can go show them that this, create a website, create a landing page, make sure that you guide them how to do it. And ninth one is where you have freelancers. Like many freelancers want to like build a business. Tenth one is event management. Many event organizers are there, they don't know how to get leads, how to build a business. You can help them. 11th, manufacturers, they have huge revenue but they don't know uh, how to really like make the best use of this. And if you can charge them like 30,000 a month, 40,000 a month, or 20,000 a month, manage their whole account, help them get leads, and help their sales team, I think then you're sorted. 12th one is beauty and salon. So even if you're um, trying to get some leads for beauty and salons, this is possible with this. Okay, we have some of renowned saloons which are using under our agency. So we don't sell it to sub accounts, right? So we have agency called Aim Global. So they give it to naturals. They have a Tony and Guy. So they work with some of the sub account clients, their clients, and they all use the same format, okay, to get new leads. Market online, get leads, automate the WhatsApp, manage the billing stuff. They can do a lot of things in that. And 13th one is resorts. Even if you're looking at some of the amazing resorts, it's very powerful. Like they can manage their entire inquiries in one single place. One such resort that I can take out the name and show you is like Club Cabana. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you only few because I can't reveal you every single client who's using it. There are like thousands of them under our agencies. But just to show you, all this form, whatever you see here, is built within our platform, right? So this is like a client of one of our agency. And when somebody is like filling up this form in their website itself, it goes into their dashboard like this. And then they start giving a call, then they start managing from there. So these are like the 13 industries that you can actually focus on. And can you type at least like 1 to 3, like either one, max like two, or maximum three? I want you to pick either one of them. If it's only one industry, just write which industry. I want you to type the full name, not the number. Okay, don't write the number because I can't go back and search. Write the full thing. Okay, that's awesome. I can see like manufacturing, education. Why website responsive is slow? There's no, it's not slow. Okay, Kishore, it's working perfectly. There's no problem with that. Gangadhar, education, then health and wellness, like 1 to 3, 1 and 13. Okay, so that's training and coaching and resort. Superb. MLM, I can see that. Then education, training, coaching. Then we have occult sciences, Mohammed Amir, that's awesome. Real estate, education, then your manufacturers. Bikash is like 1 and 5. That's training and coaching and business consultants. So there is biotech, then we have Raj's training. Fantastic. Pradeep is freelancers. Superb, right? It's very, very powerful if you look at that way. You can actually like choose any of these industries and you can go with that. So if you see, you've cracked the Sunil is like training and coaching. So you know your niche right now. Second one, you know the industry. Now let's go to the third one. I want you to just write down 5 locations. I'm not going to tell you which, but I want you to write down 5 locations that you want to sell this. Got it? 5 locations. It can be either cities. Okay, I would always say pick 5 cities that you can sell. City number one should be your own city. Okay, wherever you're staying, pick that city first. Then you see like which are the other cities likely. It could be like Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai. It can be like Delhi. It can be like anything like Pune. You can use you can use Ahmedabad, Aurangabad, Surat. So it's totally up to you. Like you can choose anything, right? So 5 locations you need to pick, and with that 5 locations you can target. Okay, so I'll give you like 5 seconds to do that. Okay, just do that. Pick 5 locations. Don't think too much, right? If you have more, then write down 10 and shortlist 5. So you should not target more than 5. Okay, super. And let's go to the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is customer acquisition strategy. Now let's move into where we can get customers. How do we get customers? The step number one is where you need to target your existing clients and connections. You're running a business. Let's say you're a marketing agency, freelancer, coach, or you're a business consultant. I think you'll be one of these profiles right now, right? So you can actually like make a list of all your clients and you can pitch your own clients. Now, why is it? Because it's very easy to convert them and they're going to stay with you. And since it's your brand, they just love to be with you, right? So that's the easiest. So you need to like generate your first 3 to 5 clients using your existing connections. Second one is circle of influence. That means your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook, your LinkedIn. Start using that. What is it? I call this a circle of influence. That's the second round. You should always do this one at a time. If you're going with existing client and connection, forget about the rest. Just focus 3 days on those people. Make a list of your phone book, write down every single business owner, go to them, talk to them. You can also tell them that I'm going to help you get started for free. Give them a free account for 14 days or 7 days. Show them how it works. Just get them some leads and do it. But I still recommend not to give it for free because nothing free won't work. I mean, you'll never have serious clients with that. But if you know them very well, imagine if that's your uncle. I mean, you cannot tell them pay me right now, right? So instead, you can actually like help them get started. But if they're not your very close ones, then you can charge them like let's say 5,000 and tell them that we're going to set up all of this, and that's still like a very nominal fee. And third one is like lead generation organic. So you can post on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. You can start getting leads. Third one. Fourth one is where you can do paid lead generation, and this is ultimate. You can run your ads, you can get leads, and I believe this is the fastest, easiest, and the most powerful way to do that. Now, why is it? Because by you launching a simple ad, you can get a lot of leads. I mean, like technically, when I say lot, it's a lot. You can use any number of leads that you want for your business, and you can attract them into automation and helping them get those leads here. Let me show you some of the template that I've created here. Okay, let me just refresh this. Yeah, you can see this. So we have something called Creative Hub. So when I go into Creative Hub, so I have few templates that I've created for our agency. So when you technically come learn with my training, I give you this template. So how does this work? I'll go into preview. And if you see the preview, this will be your business page. And I've already written one ad also for you. Like I've written like a proper copy. So if you want to change this, you can go change, edit this, whatever your business is there, you can change that avatar. And then I've also added like 5 different images for you. So these are stock images. Now, if you don't want this, you want to change this, you can always go to my AI avatar and say that, give me Canva template link. Look at this. The moment I ask for it's like technically chatting with me. Okay, so you don't have to like be worried where to go. So you click on this and it will give you Canva template link exactly. So go into that link and you can change this photo. All you need to do is like use template for new design. And there are many designs here I've used even in the past. I've added all those templates. Okay, so you can go here, pick up these here, and then you can add that into the template here. Or if you don't want to show your face, you want to do it like this, you can use the stock image. Use the same, you don't even have to change it. And after this, you can go write a good copy here, talk about why people need automation, why should they automate the business. And then you can straight away go here, set up your targeting. I told you about city and all that, no? So you can go with interest. Second, you can set up the age, what you require. And then after doing this, you can go forward and launch this campaign. You see that? It's going to be launching your campaign. So the moment if you go with this, you can go ahead and you can turn this off as standard. Or if you want to go with dynamic, you can go with dynamic as well. And once you launch this ad, the best part is you will connect your lead account and you'll start getting all the leads into your platform. And I teach all of this in my course. So you don't have to like learn that very quickly. Okay, you can take your time and have something called as ad launch mastery, where I teach you everything in detail, like step by step. I have like 9 lectures starting from paid ads mindset, how to mint money leveraging online ads, learn how to find your hook line, then how to set up a winning ad creative. You see that I'll literally teach you how to create, even if you have never done this before. I know most of you have done it, but still, I want to make sure that I teach you those templates. See, like even if you've never done use Canva or probably you don't know how to do it, I teach you that basic stuff as well, because I want to make sure that there's no stone left to help you go and accomplish what it is. Because when everything is there, the only thing is you need to take action, right? That's the power of this. You can also see like account connections, how to connect an account. Then I'll teach you about how to launch a Facebook lead ads. So I run you through every step on ad launcher. Whatever I showed you right now, that's going to be at your pace. So you don't have to like learn what I'm sharing with you. I'm giving you bird's eye view at this point, but you will know how to launch it, but like this. You see that? Now that's exactly the paid leads. And finally is affiliates. You can have your own affiliate program. That means once you're a part of this, you can create your own affiliate program and you can sell this at any price. And your clients can refer you and then you can build a business out of it. And that is going to be the fifth stage of leveraging. So I'll repeat the 5. Stage 1, Connect with existing client connections, make that first 3 to 5 account sales. Sell it at 30,000 a year, 35,000 a year. No matter what, sell yearly plans so that you get good cash flow. Second one, circle of influence. Third one, organic. Fourth one, paid ads. Fifth one, affiliates. Now, is it that you have to wait a lot of time to do all this? No, you can parallelly do it as well. Okay, but when you do on one, you'll actually have a lot of focus. Okay, how many of you found this like super useful? Just type SU in the chat box. Like customer acquisition strategy. I mean, like if you want to acquire customers, this is exactly the strategy that you need to use. Connect with existing people, look at a circle of influence, lead generation, organic, paid ads, then encash all your existing clients. Tell your existing clients, refer people, and you take a commission out of it. That's like a hyper scale that you can actually go with. Okay, awesome. So let's go to the next one, fifth one. Okay, fifth one is about SaaS funnel for you. Now, what is the funnel that you should focus on? Should you do events? Should you do webinars? Should you do one-to-ones? My answer is go with a demo funnel always to start with. Okay, now why is it? So even if you go to my virtual uh, avatar here, okay, which funnel should I start with? Okay, so this is my AI avatar, right? So you'll have this access 24/7. So if you're just starting out, low budget, high time, one-to-one funnel, you see that? It's like me telling you, technically, you this answer is going to be 100% perfect because I've fed so much of knowledge into this. So you can say perfect if you're selling 3,000, 4,000 to 7,000, 8,000. Define your niche avatar, then you talk about budgets. You see that 500 rupees a day budget you can do. You can expect 20 calls. In the 20 calls, you can expect at least 2 conversions of 5,000. That's a 10,000. So lead form, WhatsApp welcome message, calendar link. If you have some authority or warm audience, then you can do a challenge funnel. That means if you already have an audience, you don't have to do demos. You can directly start with webinar or challenge funnel. Okay, if you want to do one-to-many sales like the way I do, you can do webinar funnel. And my recommendation based on effectiveness, start with demo, go with paid ads, and then you go with webinar and challenge funnels. You see that? That's how clear it is for you to get started on this. Right now, coming to the sixth one. Coming to sixth one is a high ticket funnel for your client. Now, when you go on a call, you always like think like what do I show people? Like I'm showing a PPT right now for you, but what do you go and talk to clients? What do you show them? So what I've done is I'm giving you a high ticket funnel blueprint that you can show it as your own. Okay, and once you're a part of our community, of Start Your SaaS community, you're going to be getting this whole funnel blueprint here. Okay, I've technically created this, and this also has the snapshot. It's not like just the funnel, so it has a snapshot. You can take a screenshot of this. That's pretty much fine. And when you're part of it, you learn more about this because I teach you step by step. So how does this work? The first step here is you need a good VSL. What's a VSL? It's a demo of your product. Okay, you need to show that how this product works, what does it do, how does it work, like what are the kind of features we have, all of that stuff. And creating like a 15 to 20-minute video is a perfect choice. Got it? 15 to 20-minute video. So somebody inquires, you can always like take them to the demo video. Or if they're opting in, you're sending emails, you can take them back to the VSL video. So getting meta form, you can take them to VSL video. From this video, you can get them to book a calendar. Now, I will also show you one of mine. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, we also have a VSL funnel that we run for our brand also. So this is like a demo video. There's a shorter version of what I'm actually teaching you here. Okay, and then we tell people that, okay, you book a call. Okay, they go confirm a time, we ask some questions, they fill it up, and the moment they fill it up, all those appointments get booked for us. So if I go into my account and I go into my calendar, okay, so I should be able to see all my appointments here itself. Like who are the people who booked my appointments? I can go check out like we have tons and tons of appointments booked. So my flow is what I'm going here. I'm getting traffic, sending to lead form. I'm making them watch my video and I'm getting a calendar booking done. Now, if they don't book an appointment, what will I do? I need to nurture them. Like I need to add to a CRM. I need to send workflow automation. See that? I need to keep sending them messages like, why are you missing out? Like, this is the time to take care. This is what you should be doing. So I technically send them good information so that they are motivated to actually attend the call. You see that? And next is send some WhatsApp sequence. And my goal is to book a call with my team. So I don't do personally one-to-ones, but my team does, right? So when they connect with that, they book a calendar, they get some reminders like 4 hours to go, 30 minutes to go, then 1 minute to go, then they get on a virtual call. Now, in this virtual call, my team shows them the entire product, shows how they can build their recurring revenue business, how can they can build their agency, all of that stuff. And finally, after that, give a crazy offer to them and then give them a payment link. And once they complete the payment, they get onboarded as a agency with us. We call them as black label agency because you can technically build everything with that. So it's an internal code that we call. So using this entire funnel, you can use this for yourself and you can use this for your clients as well. If they want to like start their business and they want to run it, you can use the same blueprint. Okay, how many of you found this blueprint as useful? Just type you in the chat box. I wanted to be like quick enough to leave some messages in the thing. So let's warm up the room. I don't want any cold audience, no sitting back watching this like a movie. So we are here learning, and I want you to be like super attentive and also leave the messages here in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I appreciate your responses. Okay, that's good. So now let's go into the seventh part of this. What is seventh part? Is your roadmap. Now we know most of the questions here. You got a fair idea. So what is the roadmap for you? Because I'm not here to give you any product to just buy it. You're not the end user. I'm here to give you a product with a plan so that you can actually build a sustainable business in the next 3 months. And after 3 months, I want you to stay with us for the next 5 to 10 years. I mean, beyond that also, but still to just give you a number, it's not 3 months, 6 months, what we're looking at. We are looking here to help you for the next 5 years. That's why I told you it's a long-term vision. So because this is going to give you the power of recurring income, building a business, tangible, it's a system. Once a client starts using it, they can't go back, right? So what are the 4 steps that you need? The step number 1 is you can agency onboarding and your account setup. So what we are going to do with you is once you start onboarding, once you complete your payment, once you get started with us, we will onboard you and you will have your account set up. Second one, you'll have a business model and niche offer, which I cover in the first client challenge. So the ultimate thing you need to do right now is you need to just finish one single course. It's not a course. I don't call it as a video also. It's like me sitting next to you and teaching you at your convenience, at your time. So you don't have to wait to do that. So you can do it anytime. That's the power of that. And third step is where you can launch a sales funnel. I showed you the ads, right? You can launch that. You can get appointments and then you can start talking to the clients. And fourth one is where you can get daily sales. That means your demos, the product, and you can give a good offer. Now, I'm specifying on the offer a lot if you observe. Why is it? It's not just about the product, but it's also about the offer. So, and that's what brings me to literally tell you why offer is so important. And coming to the return on investment. Okay, so what's your return on investment? So, coming to organic, you can also do organic marketing. Like many of them ask, Karthik, if I don't want to run ads, can I do organic? Yeah, you can do it. The only difference I'm going to show you right now. In the organic, your instrument of investment is what? Time. You don't have any money to pay to anybody, but you have to keep posting content. Like in 100 posts, maybe you'll get 3 4 people will get on a call with you, or you cold outreach them. You can get people, you can do all that stuff. It's absolutely no cost involved in that. And but the first thing is you can make a list of 10 prospects in a phone book. Second way to do that is join and promote in Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, use that. And third one is you can do cold outreach. Okay, so you can reach out to people and you can tell them that I'm going to help you do that. And next is performance marketing. So if you're going with ads, then you can follow this process. And I think this is the fastest way to scale. Okay, and the leverage here is capital. Okay, that means you need to use your investment and you need to build that money. Let's say that you're spending on ads some 300, 500 rupees a day. You do it for next 3 months. And once you get that return, you need to keep reinvesting to build your business. Second one, you can start with the ad budget of 500 rupees, not less than 500. I suggest 500 is a good number. You'll get like about 12 to 15 leads in that easily. Like if it's even if it's 50, 60 rupees. So in 30 days, you'll invest like, let's say 15,000 rupees. Now, this 15,000 rupees is your investment, and this is not expenditure. You need to just know that. In 15,000, you've got a lot of leads who are potential buyers of your product. Now, if you don't market, you're not going to make sales at all, right? So marketing is an ongoing activity. It should be under your overheads. It's like a salary. You need to keep marketing. You can't stop marketing. And next is the cost per lead is, let's say, 50 rupees. Okay, your per lead cost will be 50 rupees. And then you'll get 10 leads per day. That's going to be how much? 500 rupees is going to be 300 leads per month. Right? In the 300, let's say only 20% people will come to your meeting. 300 people submitted a form, and in the 20% people are coming to the meeting, and in the 20% you'll do 30 days 2 calls, right? In 30 days every day you'll have 2 to 3 calls, and you'll do 60 sales calls in 30 days. I'm breaking down your plan right now, game plan. Your budget is 500. For 30 days, you're spending 15,000 rupees on ads. Your cost per lead average 50 to 100 rupees. It depends on meta. So leads, 10 leads per day, you might get around. So 300 leads in 1 month. Even if 20 people get on a call with you, it's 60 people. You have 60 sales calls. Now with 60 sales calls, all you can do is go on that and give a good presentation. Now, how do you give a good presentation? You can go to my AI and you can ask that, give me link to PPT. Okay. I programmed everything for you literally. Okay. You don't even have to go here and there. So when you click on this link here, it takes you to a pre-built PPT. Okay. If you're doing a webinar, you can do this. You can just go directly and you can start selling. And if you want like a one-to-one demo PPT, so I can go click on that. And now you can see that you can use this one. Okay, lead automation workshop template, or you can use any one of them. You can also go to my courses. Under my courses, I technically have an overview here, and you can also find all the links here. Can you see that? I have a PPT. You can click on this. So you'll never run out on links and all that stuff. So I've created a PPT for you, which you can go talk about the format. You can show everything in detail. You can show what features we have, and then you can run them to the offer, have some questions. So you have a ready to use template at this point of time to go there. And this is what the offer stack looks like. The first one, you have to pitch a yearly plan. Okay. So many of them try to like give a monthly plan, which is okay, but I don't prefer giving a sub account in monthly plan because it's going to be 5,000 rupees per account. So I want to like get more revenue for my business, right? So if I'm getting 5,000 rupees per account, even if I get, let's say 6 accounts, how much is going to be 30,000. Now, if I can pitch 30,000 rupees package per year, and if I'm able to sell 6 sales, how much is it? 1.8 lakh. You see that? Now that's the leverage, right? Next month, you can get another 6 people. Next month, you can get another 10 people. So you need to work on an annual plan and price it at 30,000, 35,000, 40,000 to bare minimum. What I'm telling you is this is not with setup, support, all that. So our clients sell it at literally 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs. So there is no value to this. If you look at, you can price it at any price depending on the add-ons that you're giving. That means you're not just giving a product, right? You want to give them some service. You want to like build them a website. So you can charge them like 50,000, 60,000 for 3 months, 1 lakh for a year, 2 lakh. If you're just giving a software, charge them 40,000 rupees and tell them that you can use it yourself and they can watch some courses and do it. Now that's scalable. So you can choose your model and this is going to be the vehicle, right? So the pricing can be anything that you can charge based on the value you create. When you go to the second part is the value bundle. Now in the value bundle, you should never say that take my software, pay me 40,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees. That's not a great offer. A good offer talks about what are the value that they get when they buy from you. So you can tell them, I'm going to give you a business strategy session on a one-to-one, which is going to be for like 60 minutes. I'm going to add this up with my bundle, which is going to be 20,000 worth. I'm going to do the account setup for you so that you don't have to worry on that. You can leverage our snapshot, pre-build it and just download like a screenshot. It's that simple. One funnel and one website. You can give that as a free if you want it. You can help them with some ad creatives. You can tell I'll give you like 3 creatives or 4 creatives. You can use that. And the best part is even those is there already with my AI avatar. Okay, so if I go here and ask for creatives, so one was for you, right? So this was for you, like how to get leads for your business, automate your business, and all that stuff. But for your clients also, there are many templates that we've used in the past. They're different, like insurance were there, like travel industry, health insurance. We've created like hundreds of templates here where you can simply go, which worked well, you can use it and you can launch it for your clients. So you don't have to worry on that as well. Ad launch is Facebook and Instagram here. Premium support, you can tell them, you can say monthly audit. You can tell your clients that I'm going to do a monthly audit every month and I'm going to check out that we charge 5,000, but I'm going to make it for free for you. Weekly live training is going to be 50,000 rupees for next 1 year, but I'm going to give you literally absolutely for nothing. And then you go ahead and stack this up into one single place. Now the value becomes more, right? So what are you doing here? You're giving them a sub account, okay? And along with the sub account, you're helping them with all these bundles here. Now you can also charge them for this for literally, let's say 6 months. You can charge them, let's say 99,999. And how can any business say that this is not valuable? It's going to cost them 33,000 a month. And if somebody is going to help them with all this, you can charge them not even 33,000. Sorry, it's 6 months, right? So it's maybe 15,000 roughly. So you can see the power of keeping this together, right? So you can pitch all of these services, add value to that, and give a massive offer. That is what we call as a value bundle. You got it? This is exactly how I teach you how to create an offer creation. So if you go to my first line challenge, this is exactly the topic I cover under phase number 2. You see that? Phase number 2 is what? SaaS offer creation. I tell you what to price, how to get it, what's a presentation, everything in detail. And third step is where you get like total value, you show the price. Then you tell them I'm going to give all of this at 49,999. And if you make a decision right now, I'll give it 40,000. Let's say you do 20 calls and you sell like 4 sales from that or 3 sales from that. It's going to be 40,000 into 3. That's going to be how much? 1.2 lakh. And the best part is what was your ad cost? 15,000 rupees. What was your overheads? Maybe another 40,000 rupees. So in 40 to 50,000 rupees, you technically made your business like almost 2x. That's like 1.2 lakh. And there is no limit to this because you can sell any number of accounts with that. That's why I give you like a proper plan to do that. And finally is about 10% conversion sales also is going to help you make about 2.4 lakhs if you sell even for 6 clients. If you do like 60 calls in a month, in 1 month, 60 calls, in that even if 5 people take it, 6 people take it, you'll end up making 2 to 2.5 lakh rupees. And the sky is the limit. You can make 10 sales, you make 4 lakhs. You make like 20 sales, you make like 8 lakhs. You can go and to any extent. The only thing is about how can you scale it up? Like start with 1, 2, 3, and then you have your own numbers and you can start scaling that to n number of things. And finally, is that's the power of recurring. I always say that in the month number 1, if you have like 6 clients paying you 40,000, 2.4 lakh. Second month, 8 clients paying you 3,20,000. In third month, if 10 clients were paying you 40,000, it's going to be 4 lakhs. This is how you can go ahead and build your entire checklist on building a SaaS millionaire checklist. If you can feel that, I want you to type as SM in the chat box as SaaS millionaire. So I'm inviting you to be the SaaS millionaire because this is what is going to be a game changer for you. Okay. And this can change the entire trajectory of your business at this point of time. Okay, I know many businesses who are literally struggling or probably are stuck there because of not having a good product. They all are very good. Like I've seen like some really talented people, but end of the day they struggle because they don't have a good product. But right now is the end of all that. That means you can get a solid product like this. You can position this with you and you can start selling all of this at one single place. So you don't have to go around here and there. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to go forward and run you through how you can get started and how you can build this. Can I have your permission to go forward and open the doors for you to become a SaaS millionaire and join our community? And this is not a product that you'll buy and go. Once you make a decision, you'll be a part of us and you'll be with us for a couple of months together so that we help you get started. You get that revenue and then you stay with us for the next 5 years. Can I have your permission to go ahead and share with you the investment plan and everything? If yes, just type YP in the chat box as yes, please, so that I can go share with you exactly what's the investment, how you can get started, and how you can get in. And I'm going to show you all of that stuff. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Awesome. Let's jump in right now and let's build. Let's tell you like what's the recurring revenue bundle looks like. So if you look at here, I'm going to give you a 3-month bundle here, okay, which is going to have unlimited number of sub accounts. That means you can have unlimited sub accounts that you can sell to your clients, whether it's 5 clients, 50 clients, 100 clients. It's totally up to you. You can sell that. And the best part is all these sub accounts will be under you. You can sell unlimited number of sub account, white label accounts. Now, what are white label accounts? Some of your clients are premium clients and you want to charge them like higher, and they tell that I don't want your logo, but I want my company's logo. I want my company domain. Can you do that? The answer is yes. You can't do it anywhere else. The best part is you can create here. And when you create any one of the accounts here, you will be able to customize that according to your client. So if you see here, this is a different branding, which you can see here. This is a different branding. You can create any branding to your client. Okay. And you can configure your own pricing and you can set up your affiliate portal. So when you go to my website right now and you want to pick this up, you can pick it up here itself. I'm going to show you some of the pricing plan, which is there on a site at this point of time. You can go pick it up. What I'm going to give you today is going to be a quarterly plan, because I've seen you get results only when you actually play a long-term game. Anything that's short-term is expensive, first thing. Second one, I think it's very short time for you to actually build something. So 3 months is a good amount of time for you. You're not under pressure. You can do a lot of stuff. So the pricing, even if you go to my website for a monthly package itself, okay, if you go and buy this right now, it's 35,399. Okay, so this is exactly what many people buy from our website. Okay, and if you go with a quarterly plan, this is going to cost you 1,06,000 rupees. But I'm going to give you an amazing offer today, which you can't get ever. It's going to be only on this particular event you get this. So what I'm going to do right now is, instead of you going for a monthly by investing 35,000, I'm going to make it a no-brainer for next 3 months. So technically for 3 months, instead of you investing 1 lakh, and in 3 months, you can get, let's say, any number of clients, you can make ultimate n number of revenue that you want. You can, sky is the limit for you to actually make that revenue. Okay, so I'm going to give you this 3-month bundle. You can create unlimited accounts. It's your agency, your brand, your domain, and you have a product which you can sell by just making that one single investment. Instead of you going and paying so much, I'm going to give you like a very good offer that you can't resist. I tell like irresistible offer, because this is going to be a game changer for you to get started today. I'm going to give you ready to sell snapshots. So what we've done is, in the account, we create something called a snapshot. So you don't have to like go and create every website, every template, every automation. Instead, we have already ready to use as an agency. So if as an agency, you click on settings here, you go into snapshots, we have built technically snapshots like this. Can you see that? Agency snapshot, trainers and coaches snapshot, sales automation, new agency snapshot. We have all of this in one single place. And there's a value of this is 60,000 rupees because we build it, but I'm going to give you absolutely free included. Next I'm going to give you is ready to launch ads. That means your entire ad launcher is ready right now. You just need to make few changes, add your picture if you want to, and launch that campaign. The value of this itself is 30,000 for 3 months. Think about it. 10,000 for a month is nothing to help you launch your ads. No, it's so simple. And even if you need help, our team is there to help you launch your campaigns. Okay, if you're new to this, you don't know how to do it, we have an expert who can actually like help you get started with this as well. And next is about, they're not going to like run the ads for you. They're going to help you launch that. So make sure that you know that. So next is going to be ultimate unlimited agency support. That means we're going to create a WhatsApp group for you where our entire team is going to support you to build your business. Now, why am I stressing upon this is a very big deal. Think about it. You're not buying a product and you're staying alone. We're going to create a dedicated WhatsApp group only for your business. I'll repeat that, only for your business. This is not a group that you're a part of. You'll have one group of your own with our team. We have hundreds and hundreds of groups, but we have a solid team to help you, support you and guide you on this. And every time you have any questions or doubts, you can actually ask in that group. So you can add your team members, your staff, and that's the power of this, because we know that once we help you crack for the first 3 months, you're technically going to stay with us for the next 10 years. The value of this is 90,000 rupees if I have to give a support like this, but I'm going to include today to you. I'm not going to charge you anything for this. Okay, this kind of a support, 30,000 a month is nothing, but I'm going to give you absolutely free so that we help you get started right now. And I'm going to give you the entire courses of my community. I have some brilliant courses that is going to help you get started with my first line challenge, the ultimate course you ever need to become a SaaS millionaire. If you want to start this business, this is the ultimate course on this planet which can help you get started. What I gave you is a just quick glimpse of what's your category, what's your niche, all that is the basic stuff. But I go deeper and show you how to build this. And this is absolutely free, which we could be easily charging 40,000. The best part is you don't have to pay for any of my courses. It's absolutely included in the bundle itself. I'm going to give you a weekly mastermind every Friday. I'm going to connect with you at 11 a.m. and we talk about the growth of the community. We speak about features and every single thing out of that. So the niche clarity, all of the topics I cover, 60,000 rupees, but I'm going to make it absolutely free for you. So every Friday, you and your team can come attend this particular training. So you get 3 months account, you get ready snapshots, you get ready launch ads, you get a dedicated WhatsApp group with my tech team who will help you personally with you. All the course access, my weekly trainings, and that's not it. You also get a super bonus of getting 1.5 lakh emails. Even if you go and buy a single email, it's 9 paisa at this point of time in SMTP. But we're going to include that for you. And you can use this 1.5 lakh in the next 3 months. You can use it for you. You can use it for your clients. It's totally up to you. So the entire value of this bundle ideally is about 1,39,999. Okay, this is the selling price what we have, 1,39,999. But for 3 months, this is still going to be like 42 to 44,000 rupees. I mean, you want to build a business out there, it could cost you literally multiple lakhs or even crores. But the best part is you get this at a no-brainer to get started. So instead of 1.4 lakh, I'm going to give you a recurring revenue event special pricing. Okay, this will be valid only for today and only for some time. Okay, so make sure that you grab your credit card, debit card, UPI, no matter what you're doing right now. Keep it ready. This is going to be valid for just a couple of minutes and you can take advantage and jump it right now. Instead of 1.4 lakh, I'm going to give you this at just 89,999. This is the actual value what this event sells at. But I'm going to give you something very powerful, which I gave yesterday. Okay, I can't give you exactly the same price, but I'm going to make it a slightly better. Okay, I want to do this every single time, but something stops me. Instead of 89,999, I'm going to give you this entire bundle at just 69,999 for the next 3 months. You get access to all of that. You're not paying here for courses or anything. You're paying for your own branded software and you can jump in right now. But the thing is, yesterday what we gave was a better pricing, was 59,999. Now I always ask that how many of you want me to give you the price of yesterday? I still have about 4 licenses left. Okay, can I go ahead and give you the price of yesterday or should we stick on to today's pricing? Yesterday was 59,999. If yesterday pricing, just a YP in the chat box very quickly. Yesterday price YP, today's price TP. Okay, I know some of you have already picked it up. And if you want me to give today's price or yesterday's price, okay, the link what I have right now is 69,999, which I always tell that this is the price for today. Even my slide says 70,000, but I'm going to do something very special. Though my slide is showing 69,999, I'll give you the offer I gave yesterday, but for limited people. I opened up 21 licenses. We filled up very, very fast. Today is the last final day for you to make the decision. Grab your debit cards, credit cards, UPI, so that you can get instantly access to this. So the 18 licenses I'm going to open at 59,999 for you. And the investment structure is you don't have to pay full right now. Okay, because this is not a product that you buy and go away. You join us and you stay with us. All I want you to do right now is invest your 10% of that amount. That's going to be 6,000 rupees. I'm giving you the link in the chat box. All you need to do is put in that 6,000 rupee deposit right now. Get on a call with my team tomorrow and day after. Okay, you'll get a calendar. Once you complete your payment, you'll get a personal link. Get on a call with our team. Ask every single question you have, whatever is in your mind, questions you have. Ask that, get clarity, and then I want you to make a conscious decision. Now, why we are doing this? Because I don't want any impulsive buyers to just jump in by paying 60,000 and just getting in. We want to help you make a conscious decision because this is a long-term game. And once you know everything is clear, you will be confident and that is where you'll be able to get results. Okay. And the best part is in In, let's say, 100%, where more than 80% of them, 90% of them say that they continue with that. Okay, that's the confidence level what we have. And the best part, to make it risk free for you, zero risk free, just in case, as you go through the connection of my call with my team, if you feel this is not for you at any given point, there's going to be 100% cashback of the 6,000 rupees what you're giving. You see that 100% cashback, no questions asked. You don't like it, you feel like this is not for me, I can't do it. Because the moment you say no, right, it's going to be like you're losing the whole opportunity itself. So then if you don't want to continue, we don't need your money. It's simple as that. We want to work with people who want to like build a bigger business, build bigger dream. And that's exactly why we're making this no brainer right now. So I wanted to put in that deposit of 6,000 rupees right now. And once you complete it, connect with our team tomorrow, day after, go through everything. You can take 3-4 days time with them and tell them that you'll clear the balance amount within maybe 4-5 days. And once they have that access to that, and if you're ready, do it immediately. There's nothing that's going to change in 3-4 days. Do it right away. Get on a call. See that if you have ready investment, you can go with either EMI options or anything that like that, and just get onboarded, get started, and start selling. I mean, that's what makes the biggest difference, right? How quickly you take action is what you'll get result. Okay, got it. So all you need to do right now is your entire plan is 59,999 for the next 3 months. Okay, that's like 20,000 including GST. So you'll get a GST bill from our side. You can claim the input in your company name. We'll tell you how to claim all of that stuff. And after that, all you need to do right now is pay that 6,000 rupees, block that spot. And after you block that spot, you can get on a call tomorrow or day after with my team. Go through every question you have, ask us every question, how to build it, like, can I do this? What does include? What doesn't include? Once you get super clarity, make a conscious decision so that we'll have the best people in our community. To be very frank, we are also very particular on getting the right people, because this opportunity should be in the hands of people who know what to do. So there's not just buying anything, but there's a making a conscious decision. So right now, jump in right now. And once you've completed, I'm going to be calling out your names. And the link is there in your chat box at this point of time. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to like go forward and call out all the names of who's picking up right now, just in a bit. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm going to open up my account and I'm going to go all like this. And I'm also going to share some of the case studies with you. Okay, that will also be very interesting. I played one of a very interesting case study yesterday from one of our members. So I'm going to play today one of that. So listen to what they say. They're not from SaaS background. They've never done this before. But the best part is they've been a part of this. They've eventually like got hands on this and they've been able to do that. Okay, so meanwhile, we're just going to keep this for like another 15 minutes maximum. So all you need to do right now is, you know that the product is there, you know the market is in demand. All you need to do is put in that SaaS in your business, software as a service. You're selling services, you're selling coaching, you're selling anything that's there. Add this as an add-on vehicle. Instead of charging them 10,000 rupees a month or 20,000, give the product for free. You tell them that giving you free, and you charge them 30,000 a month, 40,000 a month. Now this helps you charge high tickets because you're giving absolutely a free software also included. So you can position by selling that or adding to your bundle so that it becomes super valuable with that. Okay, I want to listen to Dr. Abid, what he says. I'll just play this right now. Some of you heard him yesterday, some of you didn't hear. Here you can listen to him. This is one of the person who's been super busy with his work, but he's been able to join a community. He's able to implement this, and listen to what he says. I'll come right back.
Even though being a doctor and having a private limited company, I thought of having a SaaS and being a black label agency as an opportunity. I took that opportunity, and it has been already more than 40 days now. In the initial 30 days itself, I was able to sell my packages, 4 packages individually of rupees 95,988. I got it sold for 4 people. I already received the cash of 46,000 for this, and the remaining amount was about to come. Just 2 days back, yesterday itself, I received the remaining payment from a client of around 87,900 rupees. 7 days and another one in 10 days, I'm going to receive same amount from two different people. So it's almost around like 1,75,000. This I was able to do it because I took this first client challenge very seriously, and I had put a lot of efforts in attending these one-to-one calls. Even though my time is limited, after I come from the hospital around like from all the system, whatever the ads we have launched, and even the calendar bookings, even the follow up, the nurturing of these leads, were all done through the platform that we have, that is provided by Start Your SaaS. Karthik sir's Friday mastermind, I attend very regularly, even though in my busy schedule, when I'm still in the hospital, I still attend that. At the same time, I also have it becomes easy for us as the nurturing is going on from WhatsApp and email. We have a call center from our team who calls them and sets a calendar with me. You should see my calendar; it's completely booked. So it feels so much happy when we have these kind of bookings. And even our ad was launched from the AI ad launcher where templates were given. I just use those templates, replace those images with my images. That's all I did. And not just the platform we're giving, we are also giving done for you services. That is why we are able to charge a higher amount. Still, people are there in the pipeline. There are people who are ready to buy our service and product at 1,95,000, 1,20,000, and so. I thank Karthik Naidu and his team. His entire team is awesome, very good with technology. I hope you also will make the best utilization of this. Take it very seriously. Attend calls, practice your sales pitch, and all the best. Thank you.
So that's Dr. Abhit, very straightforward, right? I mean, I just love this case study because I feel, see, nothing is easy when you look at it, but the best part is this makes it so easy, even for a working professional who's like working full time. If you're super smart or you probably have that leverage to understand that what is the kind of parallel business that you can build, right? Tell me what's the alternative? Okay, if not, forget about SaaS, forget about software as a service. What else you think you can sell? Courses. Why will people pay for videos in today's day and age if it's recorded? Right? People feel like, oh, it's like, why should I pay for courses? 2020 worked brilliant, but not now, right? You can't create. You want to do coaching? Yes, it works. You want to do live coaching, you want to like help people with that. These work, like it's pretty much good enough. Or you need to have a good influence that you can sell. If not, what? Services. If not, what else could you like think of? But if you want to be in a space of what you're doing right now and leverage how to build a business in the SaaS world, now is the time for you to do it. Okay, we have people like every single day who pick it up, and I want to like go forward and call out the names also. And I can see some of the names are here. Here, I'm giving you the link also in the chat box. So let's confirm some of the names here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so super awesome. So you can see even like today, if I have to go here, I can see like a quarterly plan bought at 59,999. So whatever pricing I'm giving you is exactly the same price. And you're not the first person. We have 724 people who bought this. I'm putting across my screen in front of you right now. Why is it? Because this is the community. I mean, you're not here to look at what exactly. We transparently, I teach people with what we do. If I'm able to accomplish this, if you want to see here, so only this year, like let's go like this year, let's say this year. So I've not shared these numbers though, but still you can see like 1.2 crores in last 3-4 months. Like, is that crazy? Absolutely, it's crazy. So if we are able to build a business that's just so substantial, you don't have to make like exactly the same numbers. But the best part is, even if you make 10% out of it, let's say you make like 3 lakhs a month or 5 lakhs a month. Now, is that a good income for you? Your overheads are like 50,000 rupees. You make like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, no matter what it is. It depends on how quickly you can do it, how importantly you can scale. Okay. So I'm going to call out some of the names that have put in the deposits right now. Jagdish, congratulations. Welcome on board. I can see your name here and great to have you, Jagdish. And second is we have Vishwa. Congratulations, Vishwa. Your payment has just come through and welcome on board. It's great to have you as well. Then we have Dr. Paidi VL Naidu. Congratulations. Welcome on board as well. So I'm just going to bring on Jagdish on call. So let's have a quick chat with Jagdish. Those of you who have not put up, now is the time for you to like actually put up the deposit so that we can get you tomorrow, day after onboarded, and you can get started with that. So hi Jagdish, how are you doing?
Hi, Karthik. How are you? Yes, I'm good. Thank you
I'm
for
doing
asking.
awesome with City of Ram. What do you do?
I'm an investment banker, so I work as an AVP in investment banking and quality assurance department.
Wow.
So I'm also building an networking plus ERP application altogether to bring together.
Wonderful.
So for that, I need this kind of application that would much helpful to get the sales.
Absolutely. Let's empower that with more APIs and all. Once you
Yeah.
build it, we'll completely give you all the APIs. that you can connect with. Okay, so what made you take that decision, Jagdish? So you're into investment, you're in a job, you're building something technical. What is that one thing that made you think like, wow, this is what I want? What is that one thing? Can you share?
Yes, obviously, when it comes to an entrepreneur, not only myself, so other entrepreneurs, when it comes to other entrepreneurs, especially startups, MSMEs, obviously, during the first day, you said that it everyone is working on the leads and generations. That is the main focus for them, and then
Right.
it's based on their potential that leads that they can convert that into sales. So for that,
Absolutely.
I need a platform to bring all together. So where they can network, where they can generate leads, where they can convert that lead into sales. So all together. So this will be much helpful actually.
Fantastic. Great, Jagdish. I think great perspective. What do you have to say for people who want to do it, but they have something stopping them at this point of time? You have any message for them?
Uh, as of now, what I would say is like go for it. Just keep trying it. So yeah, in the day when you said like practice, that will makes us grow as well as it make success. So
Exactly.
maybe we should give a try and practice it and how to get it converted. It's all our potentials that we have to give our 100% to that.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thanks, Jagdish. We're super excited to have you. Let's do some great things together.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, Karthik.
Awesome. Thank you. So that was Jagdish. I think pretty much straightforward. He exactly gave the ideas about unless you do it, nothing is going to work. Right? That's the power of doing it. And I think that's what made us. Because one decision back in 2020, I said I'll start an online business. And that literally changed everything for me. So I want to like call it Vishwa's name. Great. Then we have Dr. Paidi and more names coming in. Okay. I'll be calling out some of the names also that once you complete this. So the link is here in the chat box. Okay. You can complete this and get started. So what I'll do is at this point of time, I'm going to go forward and give you yet another case study. Okay. Now, why case studies? Because I want you to see how people are impacting and how they're getting started. This is a moment at this point. To be very frank, my goal and mission is not about you buying the product. My goal is about helping you get something in 3 months, right? Giving you the right product that you can sell, giving you the right guidance and coaching through my courses, which you can watch it at your pace, helping you weekly once on the mastermind to guide you, and giving you my entire team to support you and guide you throughout your next 3 months. If not this, what else? I want you to give this answer to yourself. If this is not going to work for you, if this is not going to happen for you, what would you do next? Would you do it by yourself? Would you implement that? So all I would say is like jump in, get started, and implement that. All you'll be doing is like next 3 months. Let's say you invest 60,000. Let's say you get in, it didn't work. Still, you'll be taking away massive knowledge of how to build an online business. And that's super valuable. And now, if this works and you start getting in those clients and you start building a business, you will get into an industry that's going to be the massive in the next decade. In the next 10 years, it's not just going to be about anything else. It's all about building products and ecosystem where you can keep people with you, right? Without you working. And that's exactly this because living a SaaS entrepreneur lifestyle, I'm doing it exactly at this point of time. And many of our agencies are taking it, they're helping them. And initially they start off, but once they start building a team, they know the power of the recurring revenue. Okay, there's no second business that can give the power of this right now. I want to introduce you and share with one of our yet another agency who's got started. So he's in the space of network marketing, right? Varun Chawla. So most of you might know. So we are the technically backend partners of them. So it's not like okay, Varun is using this product. Yes, it's a tech end, backend tech. We are helping them. We're doing it. And the best part is he's giving his own flavor, right? It's his business, his brand. So it's like Google, Amazon services. Do we have our own servers that we are running in our office? No, we are using Amazon. We're using like Google. We're using big companies. Is exactly like that. So like our development company, like you use this, you scale it up to the next level. So listen to what Varun says right now, and I'll be right back. Okay. Meanwhile, once you know this is for you, I want you to make a decision and jump in. And the best part is you have nothing to lose. Because once you get on a call, get all your questions answered, and then you make a conscious decision. So we have the right people and then you can get started. And I'm pretty sure more than 90% of them who jump in have never stepped back. They implement that, put action for the next 3 months. You can't relax. It's not about this. Even after like picking up whatever you need, put in that, watch, religiously do it. There is no way that you can ever miss out on this. The opportunity is in front of you right now. Listen to what Varun has to say. I'll come right after this.
Hey Karthik, this particular video, especially I'm recording for you and for the entire team. That level of the, you can say, the business knowledge, which reality like I'm getting from you, and luckily, like I know you like from past so long in the Siddharth's community. But the thing is, at that time, luckily we saw your ad like and jumped into that Start Your SaaS. And that is like Start Your SaaS is totally separate. But the thing is, first of all, I literally thank you so much to make me a 10 lakh rupees per month person. That is tremendous, I would say. And like lot of gratitude from the bottom of my heart. Why I'm saying this? Because I have spent more than 5 lakh rupees on my knowledge to like lot of mentors also, but I'm not getting this level of hand holding support. Now, if I talk about your consulting, just by one advice, I hit 5 lakhs a month. Just by second advice, I retain so many clients. So I would say literally thank you so much. And now I can proudly say that I get really this mentor is, you can say, very deep of this. Like people are getting coached, but they're not getting mentors, right? The level of hand holding you are providing to each and everybody to in this particular community, I would say. But especially I thanks for myself, what I am, just because of you, because the direction and the clarity. I always say in my community that clarity is power. And now I clearly say that you gave me a business clarity, not only about the coaching clarity, product clarity, business clarity, how to build a team, how to build operations. And now I am on that path that I have registered my private limited company. Previously, we are running as, you can say, solo proprietorship, private limited. Now we are having an employee space, more than 5+ employees is working in our company. And now for the part of agency stuff, like the product you have built is that is next level, I would say. Right? Even the clients are able to generate the income, and so many clients are giving like 2.5 lakhs a month, 3 lakhs a month from Kangan, direct selling coaches. You help me for my clients also. Nobody in the market can give this level of support. And if anybody is watching this particular, just hold the Karthik hands, and you will automatically just follow the path. Once you follow the path, automatically you achieve at that level, whatever you like, you might be, whatever be the dream is, right? Thank you so much, Karthik. We have make a milestone of 1 CR total revenue, and I am 100% sure that if you are with us, we can easily able to achieve that particular revenue, because now we have a clear direction, right? So again, thank you so much. Lot of gratitude and loves you a lot.
Okay, so that was Varun, and actually he's been one of the early agencies who joined us. He's there with us for a lot of time. I think about 6, 8, or maybe more. I think 8 months and above. And the moment he's joined in, he's impacting a lot in network marketing. And the best part is he's able to get results. Okay, so he doesn't just sell the software. So what he does is he handholds them. So he sell about 60-70,000 rupees for 3 months, and he handholds them on getting result for business owners, right? That's the power of this. He includes his entire software in that, and that's a package, and he's able to do that at thing being in a job. So technically being in a job, handling 2-3 calls a day, he's able to do that, and now scaling up to next level. I think these are some of the case studies which I feel can really change a lot of things. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go forward and open up the chat box for some of the questions. Just ask me a question that's keeping you stuck right now to make a decision, and I'm going to answer that in one line, and then you can jump in by clicking on the link. And because today is the final day, uh, I want to make sure that I at least answer questions today. So if you have anything that's keeping you stuck to make a decision, but all of them who have already put up the deposits, you're all in. Like just go on a call with our team, relax, sit back, see everything, check out what exactly is there, and then you can jump in by making that. So I have a chat box right now. So if you have any questions, you can ask. If you have no questions, then I think that's perfect. So what we'll do is I'm just checking out the time. So we're like 8:54 at this point of time. So I'm just going to keep this for just a couple of minutes itself. Okay, Kaleshwar is like, yes. Okay, great, Kaleshwar. Great to see you as well. Yeah. So anybody else has any questions, just quickly type there in the chat box, and let's take up that questions. And today being third day, like I still like appreciate so many of you being here. Okay, day 1, day 2, awesome stuff. Many of you have gotten, but right now it's the day number 3, and great to have you. For CRM software, do you have any apps? Yeah, we have an app that you can start using directly here itself. You don't need any different app here. So technically, let me show you that also. So we have some gray label apps that you can use directly and for the CRM as well. Okay, so let me show you that. Our entire platform right now, if you see, is completely based on mobile app itself. So we don't have just the web version. We actually have optimized this whole platform on what do you call like a mobile version. So because a lot of people use mobile, and I think it makes a lot of sense to you make it mobile friendly right now. And you can actually download our mobile app and you can use your entire CRM. Can you see this? Click on this right now and find out all your clients. Click on lead management. It's just like a app. Okay, so you can click on that and then you find the CRM here. And the best part is your clients also can see this. You can click on this, you can have all the information here. You can check out opportunity, follow up, notes, all of that. Okay, this perfectly works. And you can download a common app, what we have called My Apps. Okay, so it's a common name for all the agencies, but if you want on your name, you can do that as well with a small fee that you can pay. Like any real estate, we have apps. Promotional discount coupon code. Is it there? Way I'm joining. Yeah, absolutely. It's there, Chirag. So once you get in, the best part is if you go to my finance here, look at this. Okay, and in the finance you have coupon codes also. Okay, and these are the coupon codes. You can straight away create them, and you can also decide which product you want to give this discount on. Okay, I'll show you one of the examples. Like, let's say silver is here. Okay, and I'm going to just click on submit. The coupon code is RRR. So I'm going to go right now, and recurring revenue is the coupon code. So I'm going to go in right now, click on new. Okay, and now I can find a product here. Okay, silver. So I can click on this. And the best part is you also have like a two-step order form. Okay, in case you feel that you want a bet, you want a two-step order form, you can also have like a bump up offer. Can you see that? You can embed this on your website landing page. All you need to do is just put up this code here and you can start giving that. So if you enter your name, email ID, phone number here, click on next tab, it shows you the Razorpay link and you can start making payment. So if you want to give a discount coupon, you can go here and you can add RRR, you click on apply, and then you can give a discount. So technically, if you activate your coupon codes and make it live, it works perfectly. Okay, so you can do any one of that that's available here. Okay, next question is from Jagdish. So how about the data privacy? Will your team be able to access my client's data at the backend? No. So Jagdish, we use a high-end database structure in the backend. It's hosted on AWS. Okay, we use MySQL, and you can check out our website. We take it very, very seriously. And second thing, the people who infrastructure manage it, they can't access it or check out. It's like, you can imagine that we have hundreds of agencies and more than 10, 15,000 sub accounts who are using it. And it's impossible to even like go on the table, and it works in a completely different way. So there's a high data privacy security. I'll tell you why, because the model of what we do is subscription. Our money comes from your rental that you pay for us. We don't make any money from any data, right? So that's like not relevant to us. So it makes no meaning to us. So it's absolutely not there. Some of the free platforms who actually give software for free or system for free, they are the people who actually encash based on all that. Like Facebook is one of them. They're giving you a free account, but do you really think it's free? No, they're showing you ads. They have your data. They have your behavior. Now, those are the platforms which look at. But coming to that, it's super secure and nothing to worry at all. Awesome. Any user sub account limits after 3 months? Anyhow, I have enrolled. So Venkata, the point is very simple. See, any sub account limits after 3 months. See, your account, your sub accounts, they are under you. So you are the agency, they are your clients. So everything is connected to you, right? So as long as you're active, you're building a business, it's super powerful. You can do that. Anytime you decide, I want to like close the business or anything, you can actually give all your sub accounts to any other agency. Okay, and they'll be super happy to pay you some money also when they want to take the sub account, which will not happen, because if you're already making profit and the revenue is coming to you, why would you like shut it down? You can actually put somebody to manage it and do it even after 3 years or 5 years. Even in the worst scenario, you think that, okay, I want to stop this or do it. You can always give your sub accounts to some other agency and you can have an understanding, and then we can help you migrate with that. So you can always have an exit clause. I feel every business needs an exit clause. So there's no risk at all. It's not like You just do it forever, and there's no exit clause like that. Okay, so you can do that, because see, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm not a company who's built this product. Okay, the best part is, what I look at it is like, if I'm building a business, if I wanted this, I would have done it this way. Okay, that's the most important thing about it. Okay, somebody's asking me the link. The link is here. Yeah, awesome. So I think another 5 minutes. I think we're almost there, but 5 minutes to 10 minutes we'll have like questions. And meanwhile, if you know this is what you want, jump in. Okay, why I'm doing that? Because you'll thank yourself for doing it. And believe me, even if you get in because I'm saying, in the future you'll tell that I think that one push changed the trajectory of my life. Because every decision you take is going to like determine where you're heading towards. And this is going to be an awesome destination for you. Okay, and I want you to get in, because you're going to have an amazing time. How lucrative of an idea would this be, since I'm doing a job in real estate sector? Snehal, I think if you're in a job and you know a lot of channel partners, my question to you is, does this help channel partners? The answer is 100% yes. There are many real estate agents and channel partners who are in that space, and who are looking for leads, WhatsApp, increasing their site visits, having their own website, having their own landing pages. Can you help them with this? If the answer is yes, you're getting it, then you can surely jump in. Okay, now why do I say that? It's completely the way you put it across to your clients. I mean, if you give this product to anybody and ask them, do you want it or no? The answer will be 99% yes. The reason is because every business needs leads. They need WhatsApp marketing. They need CRM. They need like, every single feature is required out there. You can't run a business. This is like oxygen. I mean, it's going and asking, do you want to like breathe? I mean, every business will tell you yes. So if you have an opportunity or in that industry, there's nothing that's going to like affect your current thing, right? It's just going to be an add-on. So that one thing can literally change the way you're doing at this point of time. Okay. And next question is from, I will take some join, surely Kaleshwar, no problem at all. So you can do that as well. And Jinan, can we see affiliate agency portal if it's available on the platform? I don't have a sub account agency affiliate, but let me see if I can show you. I mean, it's the most powerful. By the way, the kind of affiliate agency that I'm giving you, that we have built, is technically that doesn't exist for other people. Okay, now why do I say that? Because this is a auto payout feature that we have. You see that? It's an auto payout. That means using the link, if some people are buying your product, this payout will be automated for your clients. Okay, let me just give you that. So this is the kind of commissions you can look at. You can see what's the kind of commission that comes in. We have many of them who are referring as agency affiliate. You can see their referral revenue, what commission they've generated. Say 1.72 lakh generated from this, and they've got 70,000. And by the way, once you be a part of this, you also have this plan here, right? So every link has a affiliate code here, which you can see, and affiliate code, and that takes the commission to that person. It attributes, and they'll be able to like go and check out like how much revenue they made, how they converted, everything in detail. And this is also connected to your Razorpay account if you're using. So the payout doesn't happen manually, it happens automated. Okay, and you can also see what's the revenue generated, how much of revenue you've got, all that part in that. So affiliate dashboard is very powerful. So if you're looking at building your SaaS business and then you want to like sell it through your client affiliates, it's possible. Okay, what will be the charges post 3 months? Same, Shubham. So we lock you with the price protection plan. So whatever you're taking is the best price which we have ever sold. Let me repeat that. This is the best price which we have ever sold in the history. That means you can never get a single rupee lesser than this. Okay, like 20,000 inclusive GST is the lowest price point. But in the future, I'm not sure if this is going to be same. Right, we'll definitely want to increase it. Right, we're just waiting for a few more accounts, and once we hit our targets, we will increase this for sure. Okay, we want to keep it at least like 30 plus GST. Okay, and that's our website pricing. So we want to like, and since it's an event, you're getting that opportunity to get started with this. Okay, awesome stuff. Okay, any other questions you have, you can quickly ask me right now. So I'll pick up those questions and answer. If not, I think we'll be good with it. So one final boarding call to all of you. And all those who completed your payment, right? So you please find out a message that's come from our side. Okay, you would have received a welcome message from our side. And please go forward and check out that message and go and book a call today. Okay, so all you can do right now is go and book a call, and that will be perfect for you to get started at this point of time. Okay, got it? Awesome stuff. And let me just check out. This is here. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to go forward, play one last case study, okay, of one of our community member. Her name is Shobha Devraj. You would have seen her. She's a gratitude business coach, gratitude coach. So she helps people with even like becoming a life coach. So listen to what she has to say. There's a very, very short, it's just like 60 seconds. And once I'm back, I think we'll be winding up. And this is your final call. And this is the final case study. After that, we'll be winding up this 3-day event until we see you next time ever. Okay, so go forward. Listen to
Hi,
this right now.
myself Shobha Devraj, and I'm one of the member in Start Your SaaS with Karthik Naidu's community. I started my journey with Karthik Naidu in 2021 when I wanted to launch my gratitude coaching business. That's when I took help of Karthik Naidu and his systems and automation tools. I was able to launch it successfully because of Karthik Naidu's coaching, and today I can call myself a successful gratitude coach. I have about 5,000 plus students in my community, and I've earned over 2 crore business in revenue. One more thing I would like to introduce myself as I'm one of the founder and CEO of iConcept Digital Media, where I give digital marketing services to my clients and I help my clients to launch their business online. So, and help them to automate their businesses. So, if you're somebody looking to launch digital marketing business or any business where you would like to help your clients to launch the business online, start your SaaS business, you need to be in. Then what are you waiting for? Click on the link and join Karthik Naidu's community. See you inside. Bye.
Okay, so that was Shobha Devraj, who's been a part of, I think she was one of our very early members. So it's been like 2020. That's the time she joined in, and it's been over, I think, 5 years, closely to. So they're a part of the process. We've built it, and right now she also owns a company called iConcept. Okay, like doing an impact even in the business space as well. So right now, I think that's about it. So let's wind up today's session. Before I wind up, thank you so much for being here. I mean, you bought it, you didn't buy it. I still like you. Okay, because you're here on the day number 3 till the last moment, and I know how amazing it is. Okay, so thanks for being here, and I'm sure that this helped. Can you type one word in the chat box of your experience of being here? You've been here for 3 days. You jumped in, you didn't jump in, but still, I wanted to give me one word of experience of being here. Okay, Kalishwar says very nice. I want you to quickly like write one word, and this is the final boarding call. And after that, we'll be going forward and closing this. So excited to join soon. Surely, Kalishwar, looking forward to helping you. And then we have Abdul is like very useful. That's great. And then Venkata is like excited. I'm excited as well, Venkata, for you. I know you're in and super excited to work with you as well. I want you to leave one single word of your experience of being here for the 3 days. Okay. Sudhir is like great value. Thank you. Thank you so much for that, Sudhir. Appreciate that. Awesome. Very great. Absolutely, Dr. Paidi. Great to have you as well. So in the community. So looking forward to help you. You can connect. Just make sure that you book a call, connect with our team as well. Okay, awesome. So let's wind up. Today's is the final day of our 3-day event, and I'm super excited to meet each one of you. Spending this 3 days has been an incredible experience for me to give you that much of value so that you can actually go and impact many more people. Because this mission is not about just one person, but it's about how you build it and how you build your own community. Right. And tomorrow, these can be a whole ecosystem inside ecosystems. So it's like we have a SaaS Millionaire Club, we call this, and under that you have your community, you have your clients, and this is going to be a huge ecosystem when we actually look at that. It's going to have a bigger impact in terms of every business that's out there. So you help them, we are here to help you, and that's exactly what with that. Chirag is like you compete with Flexi Funnels. Not really, Chirag. You can compete with Flexi Funnels because we don't sell sub accounts; they sell sub accounts, right? So when you start an agency, you can pitch your funnel builder exactly competitive to that to many funnel builders out there, and you can actually get those clients onboarded in your agency. Okay, so what we do is we are mainly like building the product, right? So we play a bigger game with that. Yes, let's do it, Chirag. 100%. Okay, get in and let's make it work. Yes, Snail is like, I'm closing the entire amount tomorrow. Fabulous experience. I want someone from your team to connect with me tomorrow. Possible. Snail, just share your contact number. I'll put it across to my team, and they'll hit you up tomorrow. Get on a call, completely understand, and you can absolutely like jump in with that. Just leave your number. I'll put it to my team so that they can catch up with you tomorrow as well. Though you have registered, so they can catch up your number for sure, but just leave your number. Okay, so I did not get the calendar invite. Venkata, it takes about like 20 to 30 minutes. So if my team is here, please check. There's no messages that's gone to the members who made the payment. Okay, so if that's not gone, so make sure that it's been sent. So I have my team also, so that they'll be checking. Okay, noted, Snehal. Absolutely. So great. So great to have all of you. So wishing you the best, and let's make something really impactful. Anything you need, I'm there on social media. Catch me on Instagram, on LinkedIn. I'm there and looking forward to seeing you soon. Until then, take care. Thanks for being here. I want you to help us in sales and marketing in our business. I want to do tie up with you. Is it possible? So Sudhir, I don't do for any other business, but if you're a SaaS agency, I